Hey guys, this is Custom LoL Skins, and today I will show you how to install custom skins to your LoL client, League of Legends client. For this we need the skin. I got it over here. It's Magma K6. Magma, yeah. You can see it. Download it from Leechcraft. Link will be in description. And we need Skin Installer or Skin Installer Ultimate. It's the same thing, I think. Let's make it a bit smaller. Nice. Okay. Now I take this zip or WinRAR data and drag it here. Wait a moment. Now you can see it reads the data. Yeah, all the particles and shit like this. Almost complete. And yeah, now we can rename this. Oh, come on. I updated it so it could need a bit of time, but okay. In this window you can name the skin whatever you want. I think I name it Magma K6 to know what it is. Not K6 load screen underline 1 DDS. But you have to keep the DDS there, so you can write the name before the dot. But after it, don't do so, or I think it might not work, because then the program didn't know that it is a skin. Yeah. And after we have done that, it's still loading models, but okay, I can talk to you. What's the next step? After that, we got the skin, we got the list of all the skins we got installed, and then we can choose which skin we want to have or which not. Can install them, uninstall them, and works pretty good. I didn't have problems with that, but some skins might be buggy, and then uninstall it simply, and yeah. So I'm gonna rename it to Magma K6. Click OK, and now we see Magma K6. I can take it here and click on install. Here you can choose install character 3D models. I install every shit normally. It might be like this, but yeah, sounds happen to be. But new menu and text mods to see some new pictures, it's cool. Then I click save. Now let's wait, and you see the line at the bottom. Yeah, could be messed up. Then I can click fix skin and fix crashes. It's good, I can show you what to do when you got a problem. Okay, now if this comes what I show you today, now you can simply click continue. Now click install, save all the things. I wanna say shit, but I say things. Okay. Don't know what's the problem, sorry guys. I'll take another skin. It's a blue Lee Sin, pretty cool. Lee Sin the Blue Summoner, you can see it here. Click it, click install, click this. Let's wait until it's done. Magma K6 made a bit of problems. but it relies on the skin, not on the program. You can see 50%, and here you can also see how many files it is installed, when it's added, which character. Here you can see time added, time installed, date, all the things, but I think this is the best. And yeah, you can see this. Click OK. And now you got Listen the Blue Summoner in your game. Yeah. If there are some questions, write it down in the comments or below. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos. And see you the next time. Bye.